Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. Today I'm just going to do a simple look. I want to try out the Jeffree Star Liquid Star Shadow that came in my mystery box. And that's in the color Manifest. And it looks like that. It's like an orangey color. And then I want to try the eye gloss. This is that came in the mystery box. And this is in the color Voyeurism. Yeah, Voyeurism. And I'm also going to be using the Star Ranch palette. I just want to do a simple look. I just want to use that middle brown to deepen up the corner. So I think I've never used this before. I don't know how to use it. So we're going to start out with the Star Shadow all over the lid and blend it out, and then we'll go in and deepen the corners. And like I said, I've never used this before, so I'm going to start out with that amount. Looks really bright on the screen, but really it's not. And I'm going to blend this out. I just used a little amount, so let's see where this takes us. Okay, it's really, it's like magic. It's blending out really nice, and it feels like it's weird. It feels like powder. Like it turns, almost like it turns into like a powder eyeshadow. Wow. Okay. Okay, that's interesting. Might add a tiny bit more. There we go. That's much better. Wow, you don't need a lot, guys. Wow. Okay, let's do the other eye. It's hard to see in the camera. I don't know if I got enough, but we'll see. I don't know if I'm applying this right. I don't think I watched any of his videos on when these came out. I was going through a tough time then. I wasn't online. I was basically only online to film my collab video, check in with my girls, and take care of my daughter. I mean, you have plenty of time to work with it. It really blends out like a dream. It's, I'm kind of dumbfounded by it. And it's really pretty. I mean, in natural light, it's really pretty. It's not quite as, like, it looks like a little bright orange on here. It's not quite like that in real life. Okay, so that's a win-win. I like that a lot. I think I will be purchasing some of his liquid eyeshadows now. So now we're going to go... Oh, wait. First, we're going to deepen the corner with the Star Ranch with that Wyoming. want to see if, like, now that I'm using powdered eyeshadow, is it going to affect it? And no, it's blending right into it. It's not acting weird or anything. I just wanted to bring a little bit of depth. And just do a simple easy look. I'm going to go back in with that. Not adding anything to it. I'm just going to blend. Mesh these two together. Okay, that's going well. Now, I don't know how we're supposed to apply the eye gloss. I should have looked it up. High intensity glass effect, wet powder eyeshadow infused with brilliant pearls. How to use. Gently glide on with finger. Look wet with one swipe or apply multiple layers for intense coverage. And alright, so it says to apply with finger. And this is Voyeurism. This is what it looks like. It's like a brown. Ooh. Oh, that's pretty. I didn't want to, like, ram my finger into that like a crazy person. Oh, so you can make it as glassy as you want it. Oh, I like that. Okay. I don't always like applying stuff, you know, with your finger. As you can see, I already took my nail stickers off. I like it though. All right. I think that's it. That's a real simple little look here. Let me. That's really pretty. Okay, cool. I think I'm going to go with something like really off the hook. green eyeliner. A little contrast there. My eyes are so sore. I've been doing so many Halloween looks on and off camera. Alright, I'm going to pause this, put my mascara on. I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. So I just put on the Last Shit, or Level Up by ColourPop mascara. I used the Lippy Play Your Luck that I got in the mystery box, which I like. I really like. And the green eyeliner. So this is the look using the Hoyerism eye gloss and the liquid shadow in Manifest that I got in the mystery box. And to darken the corner, I used the middle Wyoming in the Star Ranch palette. And I think it came out really nice. Very simple. I'm very impressed with the liquid eyeshadows. I mean, that blended out like, it was just beautiful. And it feels like a powder finish, and it doesn't come off. Sorry about that finger. I put the eye gloss on. The eye gloss is really pretty and buildable. I didn't want it real gaudy. And it doesn't look crazy in natural light either. So, I'm impressed. I like it. I will be ordering more liquid eyeshadows and some more eye glosses, since I didn't get a chance when they launched due to some medical issues with my daughter and funding, because I had to remodel my house, but whatever. That's neither here nor there. Anyway, that's my look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified of every time I upload. And please like and subscribe. It's free and it helps my channel out. And until next time, we'll see you later. Bye.